What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's Kurt's Kitchen. This week, we're gonna be making In-N-Out Burger animal fries. Otis, roll that motherfucking intro.
You crazy mother...
Super simple, quick recipe today, guys. It'll only take you about 15-20 minutes to make. Take 4 cups of vegetable oil, half of a tablespoon of mayo, quarter tablespoon of ketchup, 1/8 tablespoon of sweet relish. You're gonna take a couple slices of American cheese, 1 russet potato, 1/4 of 1 yellow onion, pinch of sugar, pinch of salt. You're gonna need 1/4 of a tablespoon of water, 1/8 of a teaspoon of brown sugar, and then finally, this little bit, 1/4 of a teaspoon of butter. Right, very first order of business, we have to prep our russet potato and our yellow onion. We're gonna start off with the onion. We only need 1/4 of it for the recipe, so we're gonna start off just taking off a nice little half of that. Yeah. Now for these animal fries, you wanna finely chop your yellow onion. Make sure whenever you're cutting something, use the 3-finger rule. You're gonna put these 2 fingers behind your middle finger, just like that. Then you're gonna make a little claw, just like this. And you're gonna use the knuckle of your middle finger as a guide. This will minimize cuts and scrapes and accidents overall, and getting blood in your animal fries. Sorry, this onion's starting to make me cry. Take your 3-finger rule, place it on the onion, a little claw, get you a nice little grip. Use your knuckle as a guide, and just chop away. Make sure to keep those 2 fingers behind your middle finger, and you don't cut yourself. Pretty simple. Look at these shiny boys right here. Now that the onion's done, we gotta prep our potato. So we gotta peel it, cut it into thin In-N-Out kind of style French fries. Then we're gonna fry them up later. That's the shape you want right there. Look at these guys already. That already looks good enough to eat. Real nice shape on these fries. But before we fry these bad boys up, we're actually gonna head over to the stovetop and we're gonna caramelize our onions. Caramelize? We're gonna caramelize our onions. All right, we got our onions here. We've got a frying pan set to a medium to low heat. Then we've also got our water, butter, brown sugar, and salt. Basically, just chuck it all in there on the pan and then toss it around for about 5 minutes. Right, we cook these to a nice light brown kind of color. Let me show you guys right here actually. Nice little light brown color on there. Put those to the side. Onions are done. Now the big pot, put that on the same burner. Turn that heat up to a medium to high. You want to heat up your vegetable oil to about 400 degrees. There's about 4 cups left in here, so I'm just gonna dunk in the whole thing. Right, now that we've got our oil in the pot, we're gonna wait for it to heat up to 400 degrees. Then we're gonna take our fries and toss them in for about 5 or 6 minutes. Ooh. Calm down.
Calm down.
Kind of scared. And dump them in. Yeah, that's hot enough. Whose fault is it that I have access to oil and a hot stove top? We're gonna use my deep fryer spoon to do it a little more safely. You're only gonna put your fries in for about 5 to 6 minutes until golden brown or crispy or soft or however you like them cooked. Oh yeah. Look at how good those look. Oh my God. I'm gonna cheat real quick. Just try one of these. How crispy and brown that is. Ooh. Come on. I haven't even put salt on them yet. That's great. All right. Now, these are regular fries. They taste okay, but there's a spirit of a wild animal lurking in all of these ingredients. Now we're gonna take these ingredients and bring the animal to the animal fries. So fucking stupid. Get yourself a mixing bowl. Put in 1/4 tablespoon of mayo. Then you're gonna get... Always making a fucking mess on the show. Then you're gonna get 1/4 tablespoon of ketchup. Then you're gonna add, Jesus Christ.
Stop making a mess.
1/4 tablespoon, just a little bit of relish. Then you're gonna add a few drops of this white wine vinegar. That was too much, but it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Then we're gonna put in our caramelized onions. Just mix it together. That smells like In-N-Out sauce. That's wow. Yeah, that really does. That's crazy. It literally smells like someone like came home like with In-N-Out. It's that like smell when it's just kind of sitting in the house and you're like, wait, who brought In-N-Out? That's the color you want too. Like the In-N-Out spread. Yes. I mean, be louder, you know? Get your 2 slices of very American, very fake cheese. Put them right on top like so. Then you're gonna take that beautiful big dollop of spread and just layer that right on top. Oh, that looks sick. Oh yeah, let's try it. Dude, that tastes just like the real thing. Holy shit. Now, I will admit, it's not the prettiest. You know what? We're gonna melt this cheese and heat up the fries. I know it's like a cardinal sin to reheat fries in the microwave, but I'm filming a video and the fries have cooled down. It's not melting the cheese as much as I would like to. It doesn't look very pretty. So, we're gonna break the rules really quick, throw it in the microwave for like 10 seconds. That's what I wanted. That looks a lot better. Look at that beautiful fucking gorgeous mess. Just gonna try it right now. What about that? Cheese, spread, onions, all in the same thing. Let's get some more cheese on this bitch. Dude, that's fucked up. No. I mean, come, look at the steam coming off of it. Yo. I'm about to burn the shit out of my mouth right now, but I do not care. Ah! Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Holy, oh my god. Oh my god. This has got to be one of my favorite recipes that I've ever done so far. What more can I say? Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like this video. Be sure to comment.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Be sure to comment down below and then be sure to subscribe for new videos, guys, every single Saturday. I'll see you guys next week. Thanks, guys.